In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create linked views in Notion. This is a simple and essential tutorial for beginners who are just starting to explore the powerful functionalities of Notion. Notion is a fantastic all-in-one workspace designed to help you organize and manage your tasks, projects, and ideas. One of its most useful features is the ability to create linked views, which allows you to see the same information from different perspectives. This can greatly enhance how you interact with your data, making it a valuable skill for boosting your productivity. To start with, you need to open a database within Notion. If you're new to this, a database is essentially a collection that can hold a variety of information ranging from simple lists to more complex tables. Opening a database is the foundation for creating linked views, so make sure you have your Notion workspace ready and locate the database you want to work with. The next thing you'll want to do is type /linked view of database into the Notion page where you want this new view to appear. This is Notion's command to prompt the creation of a linked view. As you start typing, Notion will suggest it for you, which makes things really convenient. It's a simple yet effective way to tell Notion you want to link to an existing database without affecting the original setup. After you've typed the command, you'll need to choose the database you want to link to. Notion will give you a list of all available databases within your workspace. Select the one you're interested in. Remember that linking a view allows you to display different formats, like a list or calendar, without changing the original database. So feel free to experiment with different views to suit your tasks or team needs. Finally, it's time to customize your linked view by applying filters or different view types. This step is crucial because it allows you to see only the most relevant information for your purpose. Maybe you want to create a view that only shows tasks within a certain project or a specific status. Notion gives you the flexibility to switch to gallery, list, board, or calendar views, depending on how you want to interact with your data. Filtering options are incredibly useful, particularly when you need to manage large amounts of information efficiently. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the basics of linked views in Notion. Learning how to leverage linked views can truly transform how you navigate through information, tailoring your experience to better match your workflow and ensure that you are always focused on what matters most. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you find linked views as helpful as I do for staying organized and productive in Notion.